Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new lesson in English 2. So we are moving ahead according to our year plan. What do you see in this video, students? Yes, it's a horse, and a woman is riding a horse. Have you ever enjoyed horse riding? The reason for which I am asking such question is we are going to read a story. The story about a small boy who learns how to ride a horse and his experiences. So this story is titled Leo Tolstoy was born in 1828. He was a Russian writer who is considered a master of realistic fiction and one of the world's greatest novelists. He is best known for his two longest works, War and Peace and Anna Karenina. This story which you are going to read here is an adapted version from the original story written by the writer. In this story, you will learn about a small boy and his journey of learning a new thing. So now let's see the story. When I was a little fellow means a small boy, we used to study every day and only on Sundays and holidays went out and played with our brothers. So when the writer was a little fellow means a small boy. They used to study like you people study every day, and Sunday was the holiday, and the other holidays they got for spending free time. So in the free time they played together. Means the writer was not alone, they were his brothers. Once my father said, the children must learn to ride. Now in older days people used horses mostly for traveling. So it was compulsory for the children to learn horse riding who belonged to good families. So that was also a learned skill. So for those there were riding schools. Riding schools means the schools which teaches young children how to ride a horse. Okay, I was the youngest of the brothers and I asked, may I too learn to ride? So the writer was the youngest of the brothers. Okay, so he was the smallest of the brothers and he also wanted to learn how to ride the horse. So he was asking his father for permission. My father said, you will fall down. So his father said, you are such a small boy, you will fall down from the horse. I could see that he did not want me to join my older brothers. I began to beg him and let me learn and almost cried. Now the writer is a very small boy, so he wanted to learn how to ride a horse, and his father was very worried what the small boy will do if he will fall from the horse. He will certainly cry, and he could not bear that. So he never wanted his small boy to learn a horse. He wanted him to grow a little bit and then he will do. But writer wanted desperately to ride a horse. So he was begging his father, Papa, please, please, please let me ride a horse or learn horse riding. So when Wednesday came, all three of us were taking to the riding school. we entered by a large porch, and from the large porch we went to a smaller one. So porch is a covered shelter in the front of the building. Okay, so they went to a veranda, and from there they went to the smaller veranda, or you can say that inside. Beyond the porch was a very large room. Obviously, they, instead of a floor, it had sand. Now, since it was a riding school, so horses cannot run nicely in a cemented portion. So the room was very big, and it had sand in place of the floor. Okay. So this is the normal floor of a house, but riding school had sand. Okay, the riding school had sand. And in this room were gentlemen and ladies, and just such boys as we. So other people also came for getting an admission into the riding school. So this was the riding school. The riding school was not very light, and there was smell of horses, and you could hear them snap whips and call to the horses, and the horses strike their hooves against the wooden wall. So this was a riding school where the children learned how to ride the horses, and it was and everywhere there was smell of horses. Okay, so they and whips were there, which are used to command to the horses, and there people were calling the horses. And what happened? The horses also striking their hooves. Hooves means the legs. See this part. Okay, from the walls and so on. Now we have finished today's portion. Now I'm asking questions from these pages. So the first question is, write a short paragraph on the writer of the story. Okay, then when writer was a little fellow, when they got a chance to play with their brothers. So you will write the next question. When writer was young, on which days he got a chance to play with his brothers. Okay, third question. Why the writer begged his father. Okay, then on which day the writer and his brother were taken to the riding school. Okay, this one you will do, this one you will do, this one you will do. Okay, so this is the homework, and all the answers you will find in this 2 pages. Along with the, you have to write a small paragraph on the writer of the story, and you have to also mention on which day the narrator went to the riding school. Okay, this is the work